In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL on Wix. If you want to make your page link cleaner, more descriptive, or better matched to your content, Wix makes this process pretty straightforward inside the editor. Just keep in mind that this method applies to regular pages on your site. The home page works differently and does not use a URL slug, so it cannot be changed using these same settings. To get started, open your Wix editor and make sure you are logged into your account. This is important because you will need editing access in order to update your page settings and publish the change afterward. Once you are inside the editor, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side. From there, click on Pages and Menu. This section shows all the pages on your website and lets you manage important page settings. Find the specific page whose URL you want to update. When you've located it, click the More Actions icon next to that page. This is the three-dot menu, and it opens additional options related to that page. In the drop-down menu, select SEO Basics. This area includes settings that affect how the page appears in search engines and how its web address is structured. Once you are in the SEO settings, look for the URL slug field. The slug is the part of the page address that appears after your main domain name. For example, if your current page is ending in something like /about, you can change it to something more specific, such as /about-me, depending on what fits your content best. Type your new URL slug into the field. Try to keep it short, clear, and relevant to the page. A simple and readable URL is usually easier for visitors to understand and can also help keep your site organized. After entering the new slug, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. Once that's done, here is one final step: publish your site. This is what makes the updated URL go live on your website. If you skip publishing, the change may appear in the editor but won't be visible to your visitors yet. And that's it. Thanks for watching.